Instagram is really out here being sneaky again. They straight up released their own version of the FYP and didn't tell anyone. So you'll be able to go into your explore page here, and there should be a little section that says for you right at the top. So according to later.com, in 2021, Adam Mosseri actually said these are the things that decide what comes up in your search results. So this will help curate that FYP. And guys, this is just one of the reasons why SEO is going to be so important, because when people are typing things in and the search is populating results for them and also getting results onto the FYP for them, they're going to be using SEO or search terms to help curate those people's pages. So use keywords in your captions. Hashtags do count, okay? You can use hashtags here. Use them in your reels, like in the actual text of the video, and also in your headline and bio. Very important, especially this headline. I've worked with so many students in our membership social suite about SEO and really helping to figure out what needs to be in their headline and bio and where certain keywords should go when they are more important keywords versus others. So if you need help with that, you know where to go.